So let's get practical. Let's write our retirement plan. In the last couple of videos, we've talked about shifting our mindset and exploring the 3 pillars of a thriving retirement: physical, mental, and social engagement. We've laid the groundwork. Now it's time to get practical. Thinking about retirement is one thing, but actually designing it requires a plan. A retirement action plan is like a personal roadmap. It takes all those big ideas and breaks them down into small, achievable steps. It's the difference between saying, I want to be more active, and actually making it happen. Now, your action plan doesn't have to be complex. I like to think of it again in 3 simple steps. So step 1 is the brainstorm, and this is going to be the what. So remember the perfect day and the no regrets exercises we talked about? This is where you bring these ideas to the forefront. So I want you to get a notepad, pause the video, or you could use a spreadsheet or maybe a phone app, and just start writing a list of everything you want to do, everything you want to learn, and everyone you want to spend more time with. Don't edit yourself. Think of it as a creative download. For example, your list might include learn to play guitar, volunteer at a local food bank, hike the Yorkshire Dales, or master baking sourdough, something like that. Now, step 2 is the prioritize, or the how. So looking at your list, it might feel a bit overwhelming, and that's a good thing. It means that you've got options. Now, pick 1 or 2 items from each of the pillars: physical, mental, and social. And for each of these, break it down into the first 3 small, specific things you need to do. It moves join walking club from an idea to a series of concrete executable tasks. Do this for 1 goal in each of the 3 pillars. Now, step 3 is the schedule, and this is the when. This is probably the most crucial step at all. So a goal without a deadline is just a wish. So take your specific action steps and put them into a calendar. And if your goal is to find a local book club, your calendar might show Tuesday, search for local book clubs. Wednesday, send an email to the organizer. Now, block out this time. This makes your plan real. It gives you a place in your life. Now, a final bonus tip: revisit the plan every couple of months. Things change, your interests might evolve, and that's okay. Your plan is actually a living document, not a stone tablet. So take the time to write a retirement action plan. This is one of the most proactive and probably rewarding things you can do for your future self. It's a statement that you are in control of this next amazing chapter. Thanks for being on the course with me.